Welcome to the Starchive mobile how-to video. Find, manage, and share your media. Starchive Mobile is a digital asset management app that fits in your pocket. It makes it fast and easy to work with and organize your digital media in the cloud. You can upload any file on your device to Starchive. From within the mobile app, press the Add button, select Upload, and select the files on your device. You can also upload files from within other applications. For example, after you take a photo, you can just click the mobile share button and share to Starchive to upload the file. To view a file, simply tap on the file to open the preview window. From here, you can share to other applications on your device, you can add your own tags to it, and/or create a shared link. From the three-dot menu, there are additional actions you can take, such as add the file to a collection, folder, or choose to delete. We'll look at all these functions more from the navigation menu. To open the nav menu, just press this button or swipe from the left. Within the All Files menu, you will see all the files that you've uploaded into your Starchive. In this view, you can filter your media by clicking the icons here to sort by images, audio files, videos, documents, and more. Next is the Folders view, which is great for organization. Here you can organize your files into folders and subfolders. Deleting any file or folder from this view will permanently delete it from your Starchive. To create a new folder, just click the Add button and select Create Folder. You can then upload files directly into the folder or move files into it via the three-dot menu. The Tags view has all the tags you or other members have added to files in Starchive. Just click a tag to see all the files associated with that tag. To add a tag, you can click into a file and click the Tag button, or multi-select files and batch tag. Within the next section, you will find the Autotags. Uploaded files are automatically given Autotags by powerful AI recognition software. For example, when I uploaded a picture of a dog, Starchive will automatically tag the picture with dog, pet, and puppy Autotags. Collections are a great way to curate or group your digital media for easy reference, without worrying about moving them from their original folder or duplicating them. Think of this like a playlist or slideshow. Unlike folders that organize the actual files, collections simply reference them. This means you can have the same file within multiple collections, and removing a file from a collection won't delete it from your Starchive. You can create a new collection by clicking the Add button, Create Collection. To add files to the new collection, select them, use the three-dot menu, select Add to Collection, and choose from the list. The last view is Shared Links. Here you will find a list of any group of files that's been shared from your Starchive. You can share folders, collections, or one or more files. Once you click the Share Link button, Starchive will automatically generate a link and choose whether or not these files can be downloaded. Anyone you send this link to will be able to view and stream the shared files. And that's it for the Starchive how-to video. Create, find, share, repeat.